It's working. Let's take it for a ride and see what it's like. Empty it out, and then it's going to get filled up. Something's different. Let's see what this is. Something's different. This is Franklinville. This is the Deep River State Trail and the Franklinville Rail Trail. Well, look who's coming. Looks like they've modified the hill here. Is he going to notice me? He's walking pretty good. He was going to have trouble with his back like me. Look at this. Now that house up there has been closed up for some time, and they put down matting, so they've modified. I wonder what they're going to do. Whoop, I don't think I did that right. Let me try again. There we go. Now let's try it. Ooh, I don't want to bump into anything. Got myself into a corner. Yeah. I'm a Grand Prix driver, not a parking lot boy. I don't drive trailer trucks. So let's go up on Main Street and see if we can see any modification from there. Now, people are fishing. That's what these guys over here are. Here comes the big sports car. There's your T-Bird. Corvette or T-Bird? Which is it? I saw wings. Let's look this way. Okay, so there's a pile of dirt here. Well, that may be part of what's going on. Now, those posts are not new, but the dirt has been dug up around. That's a reminder that I got some medicine to take. Okay, so whatever it is, and they cut off a big limb over there on that tree. And it has something to do with, now, originally, as I understand it, all the homes and businesses along here had sewer pipes that ran right down to the deep river, and that's where they would dump it. But then, you know, things changed, and they put a sewer line along what is the rail trail, and they connected all of those so they no longer went into the river. And then it had to run off to a sewage treatment plant. And I'm thinking they're probably repairing that lower line in some way. It's a guess, because it would be old, meaning almost as old as me probably. Not quite. Park should be full. Here's a sheriff's car. visiting with the